guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sasha Ninja Sana, sun-kissed by the Western Cape sun. Yes, it is quite different. Thank you very much. From here, near Gauteng, polluted and stuff. We are back in the Western Cape, like I stated, and I've had a day from hell, like a weekend from hell that became a day from hell. It's a Monday today, the 3rd, the 2nd, the 3rd. No, it's a Tuesday, guys. I'm so confused because I flew down yesterday, so for some reason it was a weekend, like Hamawan was a Sunday, because also I didn't go to the office and there were no site activities because it was rest and recuperation weekend, so people were at home, so there were no site activities. And that's why I can Monday, but it's actually a Tuesday, the 3rd of March, I believe. It's the 3rd of March. So yeah, I drove 45 minutes to Wellington. It's quite a drive, but Nikita Checkers, I'm a Checkers girl, and that spa, it's giving Rurale, it's giving the food stable dealing. No. So yeah, Checkers, to come and get a few essentials to last me the week, because I am staying here for a week. Guys, I'm so sun-kissed. But the sun, Sana. It's so hot though. But let's go shopping, shall we?
Morning, Carol.
Morning.
You'll be down, sometimes up. But the thrill of going down is more than the one of going up. That's why how we Google or nothing over pelong, just know you're going down.
Why?
You mustn't walk where you look. You must look where you walk.
No, I was walking where I was looking at this branch before I could even jump over it.
I'm recording. That's why I was recording.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is I'm so bad with the days of the week, but today is a Wednesday. It's the 4th of March 2026, and we are still in the beautiful town of Tilburg in the Western Cape. Today was a very crazy hectic day on site. But it's okay, I'm still that girl. And also, like, I'm always like, what is a beautiful girl like me doing here? And I'm just like, oh my dog, like, but nonetheless, guys, so yeah, I was taking a walk and then I discovered this beautiful dam. Sort of like, yeah, our company has booked chalets for us, for like, yeah, a long-term stay for the duration of the project. And literally, I think this is the only cute part of this accommodation. It is so cute. So I wanted to get my steps in. I'm walking in a new place as well. I hope there are no snakes here. But yeah, I want to get my steps in. At least I got 5,000 steps. Get a sharp. So it's a very windy day in Cape Town today. It's Saturday. We are in the month of March. Yeah, I've decided to come to the beach today, finally, after postponing so many times. I even thought of postponing today because Cape Townians were telling me how chilly it is, how windy it is, and whatnot. So I was like, perhaps I should cancel. But then I knew that I'll probably end up not coming to the beach. So I'm at Big Bay Beach. And there's a restaurant here called Eden on the beach or something like that. So perhaps I'll go chill there a bit later. It is a bit late though. So I drove an hour 30 minutes to get here. So I don't really have much time, but yeah, let's make the most of it. I parked my car so far and there's like a parking area just in front of the beach. Joy. What's what? Oh, man. Hey guys, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear me because it's really windy out here. But I'm so happy to be here, Sana, and happy, don't not be okay. So yeah, I found myself a spot to just sit down and watch the waves and do a bit of reading. My latest read is Things Fall Apart, but Achebe. This has been my read for quite a while, but I'm pretty certain that this time I'll finish the book. It's a really, really good read. So yeah. Hey guys, so I don't know, it is very chilly, so I'm looking for a restaurant where I can get like a burger. I don't want anything crazy, just a burger, kapa. I also want ice cream and everything is seafood, like guys. Okay, there's a pizza joint here. I'm thinking maybe KFC. Yeah, maybe I'll just have to settle for KFC unless I look for a place in a Burger King. Actually, me search for a Burger King there, and that will conclude my beach day. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Burger King. This beach, Big Bay Beach, it's opposite Eden on the beach. Eden or whatever. Not impressed with the beach, to be quite honest. I don't think it's the prettiest beach I've been to. Would like a lot of surfers as well. So so it was mid, honestly. So I'm like a loner. I do most things alone. I'm just a girl in her 30s who lives alone, who does most things alone, and I'm so used to it and I love it. But moments like these just make me realize, well, sometimes some days really do need a husband, a partner, something. Even if it means I get to do stuff with my daughter, I'd very much like that right now. But yeah, we move. I got my food. I decided not to sit in because it's getting late and so and I finally decided, well, I finally got my hands on the Biscoff King Fusion ice cream. It looks so good. It looks absolutely good. The lighting is failing us, Mara, otherwise. Let's taste it. 1 spoon for the road. A sharp fela. Ke ice cream e kopane le biscuit. Why is not sauce in Ghana? What's the sauce here thing? The actual ice cream is nice. Mara, the biscuit, it's whatever.